Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Happy Master Comedy. See, at the verse like this, concern this untouchable matter again. At the verse, man, no joke at the verse. Mr. MC Mbakara, sorry to call your name without putting any title. You understand that? I'm very happy for you to say you did for East now. For you to say you did for East. I'm very happy for that. I want to beg you for something. Just tell us the location you did for the East. Maybe we come beg you. Mr. Waiting, whether na King Kong of social media. He say nobody when dey for this social media wey go fit beat you with money. Say you get money pass everybody. Let na Mackenzie and I go drag with you. No wahala. But you go know say other people wey dey measure say you get money pass na, they no go fit treat them boy like that. Son, my own pikin for that matter, they no go fit treat am like that. Only now they talk say people will talk say they envy untouchable. Say whether untouchable get money pass you, I been get house pass you. I be if you marry now you go get pikin pass you. See they can't word with they talk for live video. I beg, Mr. Man, any place we dey for East, just draw location. May we come see, may we come beg you. Untouchable say no one see for your house, no go there, may they no beat you. They'll beat you before those who Lagos house go come. Your mic go dey. You don't understand? Men, I don't forget to share the video, make it reach in Mbakara and Untouchable. Because this kind of thing, what Untouchable do? Now something we say, now they switch in based on saying send it for East. My player be say make him just draw the location. Maybe we come beg, and I beg within now. So I make him bless the marriage, make the marriage make him go forward. Now beg, now we beg now so that make him bless the marriage. May he say yes. May Untouchable marry the precious or whatever they call her. So that's my own happiness. So far, I did for East, as I did for East like this now. Just draw location where we come. As now be Untouchable father or precious father. Somebody will be mentor. The person give you respect. Won't make it be everything for them. It is if Untouchable want to do it without you, we no go do it. Now you pecking house. The house where they live, now you peck am. Which one be say, be this one, be this one, be this one. Okay? All those one are camouflage, you know them. They ever, we know all those things before they talk am. But I dey beg you now, I dey beg you wherever. Where you dey for East? Where you dey for East? Just draw the location. We will come beg you. No be beg, I be want make I need that for you. You want make I begin the need that? I go need that for you, I beg. It's Mbakara. I beg. Where you dey for East? Just draw location where we come there. When I dey do all those kind of thing now. When I do all those kind of thing. You want to now when you say the guy don't know what to do, I been waiting. May everybody go back to your ears. Sha, no blame you, not be your fault. Not be your fault. Not be your fault. Not be your fault. I beg, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share this video. Make this video make English way Untouchable day. Make this video reach in Mbakara. But as they remind you, no go Untouchable house. Many people dey vex. Make they no come put up for your body to according to wetin I call this no risk. He say on a mind no go touch the ground. Your mind no go touch the ground. Go Untouchable house, no be see now. The senior man nobody they fuck up this time well. But just draw location. Maybe come beg you. I beg. Now beg now we dey come now.
At least if I have up to 1,000 people saying, let her talk, they come and sit down. At least encourage her. Stop putting fear in her mind. Please write it here. Let her talk. Let her talk. Let her talk. Everybody write it down here. So she will know that at least she has coverage. As soon as people should give us the courage. Let her talk. Can you imagine that they have been dating behind this girl's back? You that is saying it's not a must that Untouchable must marry his ex. Am I saying he should marry his ex? Now you go again. Are you God? Are you God? Have I ever presented myself as a God in this situation? Have I? I find out you're asking if my ex. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jamel, I'm not being supportive because a woman who has suffered with this man for 4 good years has been relegated to the background and nobody is seeing the parts and where I'm coming from. Everybody is just, because Precious says she be orphan, must everybody be an orphan? Let her declare the air, a newborn woman, God bless you. Let her open up. Must everybody be an orphan? I told you the first money that I was paid before I started promoting Untouchable was this girl. How did I know this girl? It was from Untouchable. If you say I have an ex, have you ever heard that any of my ex, I left any of my ex with dissatisfaction? You never hear. You never hear anybody go say, "Oh, do you know how many? Do you know how many of my exes when we say that I see they supporting now, even with the ones that are married?" Don't tell me to calm down. These people don't understand the pains that the girl is going through. When did Untouchable and Precious start having feelings together? When? Why would somebody say a boy that grew up under me, I am jealous of him? Why? You think I'll be here forever? Allow her to talk. I'm now in the east. Are you people scared? Are you scared? Untouchable must marry Precious, whether I like it or not. Now, what for some people though? So why do they need my blessings? Why are they asking of my blessings? Why they need me? The problem is that you don't want to accept the fact that I am the pivot. Now me hold the marriage. If I say it will not work, it will not work. And there's nothing you can do. Now the thing they pay me about that. We don't even believe say, now me, they in the middle. Okay, me work now. Oh yeah, okay. I cannot do anything. I'm not God. Oh yeah. Let the marriage work now. Something you are seeing that is not working without me. I see saying make it work now. I can't be jealous. Jealous of who? That he has money more than me? Or as he come marry, you can't get children past me? Oh God. There's one thing I know if you talk, sure. I am surprised that the people that are even here backing Precious are women. Women. I am advocating for another woman, but yet it is women that are doing this to another woman. Ah, shame on to women. You are still challenging me. I am now here. You know, they challenge me. I am in the east. What can you do? What do I think I am? I am MC Mbakara. I am Chief Aya Aya. I am honorably one of Eton Central Kingdom. No problem. No problem. No problem. Somebody, especially when I chop a level, how do you do to you yourself? You don't know me. I rest my case on God. Mercy. I double dare you. The truth, like my brother said, is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. He is not. I'm not his father. He just respects me. But where we are saying is, he's just saying, when I was suffering, promoting, pushing them, where were you? When I was pushing them, sweating, working for them, where were you? Without my blessing, they will marry. Without my blessing, if like you don't know what a godfather is. You don't know. A godfather even supersedes the real father, because a godfather invests time, money for someone who is not his biological blood. It will work. They dare me. It will work. Me, they talk, you say it will work. Oh yeah, now. I double dare anybody. Makachuku, I double dare anybody. He said, Precious Isabel, all I'm asking is, okay, even if you want to leave the ex, compensate her. Because she was there. She invested time, money, and that girl is over 30-something years now. Who won't marry her? You wasted that girl's time and life. It's okay. I rest my case on God. Babe, relax. We are going to do a recording. The next post is her recording and saying everything. Ubochi, Chim, peace. You double dare me, Aya. You double dare a title man from an autonomous community. You double dare me. Yeah, they play. They play. You abandon a woman who introduced you to me. A woman who introduced you. People are saying, oh, you love Precious. Oh, you want to date Precious. Oh, God. A woman who introduced Untouchable to me. You don't have conscience. Human sympathy. You don't have. See, where were you when they break up? Untouchable snitched. By Sazubike, I beg you, I told you to that life. Please don't get involved in this matter because it is very, very crucial. Don't get involved. I'm going to record her now. And then she's going to tell you exactly her part of the story. Then you will now see that precious is not what you think precious is. Precious is not what you think precious is. People are there. Ah, God. Now me know precious. Now me get them. Precious is not what it is. That is why I will never give her my blessings. No other. I'll record her. I'll record her. And then she's gonna talk. Baba, 5 million is not my problem now. How you gonna tell me say you give me 5 million? How much I spend for my pikin? By Sazubeke Hemeje, my senior colleague, my co-founder Portland, I am asking you how much did I use to do my child education? What was 5 million naira, guy? Baba, if I'm money, I don't see money, and you know. The highest will say I'm proud, but who get money? Now Sabinus, now Brain Jota. Now only McAngel fit challenge me. Only McAngel. If not, I beg, who fit challenge me? Who get the number of houses when me I get? Which content creator get the number of houses I get around Nigeria? How many? McAngel and maybe Sabalo. Those are the only two people that can challenge me in this industry. I'll beat my chest and say, nobody can challenge me. Go and call them. We'll drop our words. I rest my case on God. I rest my case on God. I rest my case on God. Stay on, because this midnight, it go choke. I will record her and I'll post it this midnight. Just stay on. No wahala.